Introduction. Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of design. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we delve into a topic that holds immense power in the realm of design principles: repetition. You see, repetition is like the secret ingredient that adds that extra punch to any design. It's a tool that can bring harmony, consistency, and visual interest, elevating your creations to a whole new level. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, understanding the significance of repetition can transform the way you approach your projects. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into repetition and explore how it influences the fundamental design principles. We'll uncover the secrets behind creating visually stunning and cohesive designs by harnessing the power of repetition. From consistent elements that establish familiarity, to mesmerizing patterns that draw the eye, and the strategic use of hierarchy to guide the viewer's attention, repetition plays a vital role in shaping the visual experience. But it's not just theory. We'll also explore real-world examples across different design contexts, from logos to websites and posters. We'll see how repetition can be applied in each of these areas to create memorable, user-friendly, and impactful designs. So, get ready to unlock the secrets of repetition, as we journey through the core design principles and discover how they come to life in the hands of skilled designers. Whether you're a designer seeking inspiration, a student eager to enhance your skills, or simply someone with a keen interest in the world of design, this video is for you. So, grab your sketchbooks, open your creative minds, and let's embark on this exciting exploration of repetition and its influence on design principles. But before we dive in, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future design-related content. Alright, are you ready? Let's jump right in. Now that we have a solid understanding of the importance of repetition in design, let's dive deeper into the specific design principles that repetition influences. These principles act as guiding principles for designers to create visually appealing and coherent designs. So, let's explore them one by one. The first design principle we'll discuss is consistency. Consistency involves the repetition of certain design elements throughout a project to establish a sense of familiarity and coherence. By using consistent typography, colors, layout structures, or recurring motifs, you create a visual language that ties your design together. Consistency helps users navigate and understand the content more easily, creating a seamless experience. Moving on to the second principle, pattern. Patterns are a specific type of repetition that involves the repetition of shapes, lines, or motifs to create visual interest and rhythm. Patterns can be simple or complex, and they can add texture and depth to your designs. Think about how repeating elements can transform a plain background into an engaging visual experience, or how intricate patterns can evoke a certain mood or style. Next up is hierarchy. Hierarchy refers to the repetition of specific design elements to establish an order of importance. By repeating visual cues such as size, color, or style, you can guide the viewer's attention and create a clear visual hierarchy. This principle is particularly important in typography, where headings, subheadings, and body text are often differentiated through repetition. Effective use of hierarchy ensures that the most important elements stand out and grab attention. Now that we have explored the individual design principles, let's see how repetition can be effectively used in different design contexts. Whether you're working on a logo, a website, or a poster, repetition can be a game changer for creating a cohesive visual identity. In logo design, repetition can be a powerful tool to create a memorable and recognizable brand identity. Think about iconic logos like McDonald's or Coca-Cola, where the repetition of distinct shapes or colors instantly triggers brand recognition. When it comes to web design, repetition is crucial for creating a consistent and user-friendly experience. By repeating design elements such as navigation menus, buttons, or visual styles, you provide users with a sense of familiarity and make it easier for them to navigate and interact with your website. Lastly, in poster design, repetition can be used to create visual impact and communicate a clear message. By repeating key elements such as images, typography, or colors, you can create a cohesive and visually striking poster that grabs attention and conveys information effectively. So, whether you're designing a logo, a website, or a poster, remember that repetition is a powerful ally. Consistency, pattern, and hierarchy are essential design principles that, when employed strategically, can help you create harmonious and visually appealing designs. And that wraps up our exploration of repetition and its influence on design principles. We've learned that repetition is a powerful tool that can transform a design from ordinary to extraordinary. By employing consistency, pattern, and hierarchy, designers can create visually appealing, cohesive, and impactful designs. Repetition brings harmony, establishes familiarity, and guides the viewer's attention. It allows for the creation of memorable and recognizable brand identities, user-friendly website experiences, and visually striking posters. When used strategically, repetition adds depth, rhythm, and coherence to designs, making them more engaging and effective in delivering their intended messages. So, whether you're a professional designer, a student, or simply someone with a passion for design, I encourage you to experiment with repetition in your own projects. Explore the power of consistency, play with captivating patterns, and master the art of hierarchy. Embrace repetition as a valuable tool in your creative arsenal. Remember, repetition is not about monotony or redundancy but about creating unity, visual interest, and guiding the viewer's experience. By understanding and utilizing the principles we've discussed today, you'll be able to elevate your designs and captivate your audience. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of repetition and design principles. We hope this video has inspired you to embrace repetition as a creative force and explore its potential in your own design work. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on design. We appreciate your support. Until next time, keep designing, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of creativity. Stay inspired and continue to harness the power of repetition in your design endeavors.